Started in 1999 with a school in the Philippines designed to teach entrepreneurship and help those with low income become self-reliant. The Academy began with an emphasis on assisting returned missionaries and has grown to include all who wish to put their faith in action by applying correct principles in their financial and personal lives.
A student of entrepreneurial education said, "My dream is not to die in poverty, but have poverty die in me." And we're doing our best to have poverty die among the Latter-day Saints in the Philippines, and now Mexico and Brazil, and maybe the world.
Who knows? Where else? Now the Academy is in 15 countries and has more than members belonging to close to 1,000 chapters. The power of entrepreneurship is continuing to change and improve the lives of many of God's children. They are able to realize their potentials and more fully experience opportunities to bless their families and others. Since 2014, when the church launched the Starting and Growing My Business program, the Academy has become its primary partner in supporting SGMB graduates. The Academy started organizing and supporting business support groups or chapters.
Ako po si Charina Pigoloy. Dito po naka-assign dito sa Abra chapter. Nag-lesson po ako ng SRS program, SGMB, and Start Now. Ang pagninegosyo po namin ay maraming naging impact. Ang isa pong halimbawa ay yung mother ko po nung March 16, nagbakasyon po siya dito sa Abra na may sakit na po siya, mahina po siya. Tapos after 3 days, hindi po niya nakayanan, namatay po siya. Hindi po mabigat para sa amin ang mga nagastos po namin. Kasi sa turo po ng SGMB, yung pag-iipon po ng araw-araw, kahit konti-konti ay lumago po siya. Kaya nung nagkaroon po kami ng ganyang problema, hindi po siya mabigat. Magaan na lang po.
The chapters meet weekly to continue their learning of business principles such as the 25 rules of thumb. They develop action plans and are organized as success partners who help each other overcome setbacks and challenges, as well as progress on their goals and action plans.
Ang nakita kong impact ng program na ito ng Self-Reliance at Academy is tumaas yung tithing faithfulness ng mga members. In fact, dati itong Bangged, hindi nagko-qualify to have a bigger chapel. Nung nag-pandemic, nahinto yung sacrament at nahinto yung pag-collect ng tithing. Pero pagpasok ng sacrament, ang Bangged First Branch of all the branches here in Bangged District, siya ang nakakolekta ng napakalaking tithing. Sila, ang ibang branch, halos walang masyado pinagbago yung collection nila. Yung dating kinokolekta ng Bangged na amount, nagiging times 600%. Yun po Sunday.
I am Harold Kimba, Stake President, Iloilo Philippines North Stake, Iloilo North Chapter. Ang impact ng training na yun is, sa mga members is napakalaki talaga. Naging business-minded na yung mga members. Saka naging mas masipag sila sa paggagawa ng mga pinlano nila, anong gagawin nila out of that earnings na nakita nila sa paperclip and pinalago pa nila yon. And until now, ang laki na ng earnings ng mga groups. So mayroong group nga na more than 40,000 na yung kita nila out of that paperclip, and ang isang group parang 30,000 na yata. So nakikita ko yung excitement sa mga members, and nakikita ko yung malaking tulong talaga sa family nila sa work nila.
That rule of thumb ng ACE is one of the reasons why we've been able to do it. We are small, we started small, but we're always thinking big.
Ang RM, malaking pagsubok pag-uwi. Parang ako. Ako kasi nung umuwi ako, masyadong nagmamadali ako palagi. Pag naghahabol ako ng panahon na yung mga classmates ko, batch ko, tapos na ako naman gusto kong mag-aral, masyado ako nagmamadali nun. Siguro sa mga RM ngayon, unang-una, siyempre, wag mo kalimutan magdasal. Pag-pray mo pa rin na magkaroon ka ng opportunity. May dumating sa'yo na opportunity. At kapag dumating yung opportunity na yun, kailangan mag-grab mo siya.
They have the heart to really help us Filipinos to rise above the challenges, daily challenges of our lives. And I'm very, very thankful. We started 2005 ng single proprietorship. 6, 7, 8, parang we get by, pero nai-stress ako pag maraming client. So therefore, nag-decide kami ni Sister noon, siguro ang client ko dapat mga 3 to 5 lang. Kasi yung demand ng time, yun lang ang kaya ng katawan. But when I enrolled in the academy, that changed. With the simple training, actually it's not simple, with the training that we have had in the academy, ang laki agad no, in-apply ko, ang laki agad nung revenue namin. And then of course, naturally, masaya si Sister. Kaya tatago na siya.
Hindi magiging ganito kaganda yung buhay na experience ko ngayon, and also sa family ko. Through the academy, nakapag-start ako ng sarili kong negosyo.